Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm Gabriel, an undergraduate student at FIU, and today I'm going to be talking about the biology of aging. Now, this topic is actually very interesting to me because humans perceive age from a chronological standpoint, so how old we are. But we can actually measure age biologically by looking at telomeres and telomerase. Hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be able to understand how these work. So let's start by looking at telomeres. And what are telomeres? Telomeres are non-coding sequences of DNA that repeat the sequence TTA followed by 3 Gs. They can be compared to the tips of your shoelaces and protect the DNA from damage. Now this portion right here, protect the DNA from damage, is very important because DNA replication has a really big problem in biology, and that is the end replication problem. As our DNA replicates, bits and pieces of information are lost, and this can have detrimental effects on our health. Fortunately, we have telomeres, which code for non-coding sequences. So if we lose telomeres during replication, then it doesn't affect us because they don't code for anything. And that is the non-coding sequence right there. Unfortunately, telomeres are also shortened during DNA replication, and this was discovered by a scientist named Hayflick. Hayflick discovered that telomeres also shorten as the cell replicates, and that eventually the cell will run out of telomeres. Through experimentation in the lab, he discovered that cells will divide approximately 40 to 60 times before dying off and running out of their protective telomere caps. This is the reason why telomere reduction has been linked to the biological process of aging. Telomerase can be seen as a sort of molecular hero because telomerase extends the telomere caps and thus protects our precious DNA. Telomerase is an enzyme that extends the telomeres. Telomerase, however, can also be bad, and this is Sheeta. She is the villain from Wonder Woman's 1984 because too much telomerase can cause cancer. On the other end of the spectrum, too little telomerase can cause cell degradation, which is why scientists are trying to discover a happy medium of telomerase production. I'll leave this video off by talking about lobsters. Lobsters are a model organism that have discovered just the right amount of telomerase production to the point where they have achieved immortality. If we can apply the biological mechanisms of model organisms like lobsters to ourselves, we may be able to achieve immortality in humans in the near future, and I think that is very exciting. I'll end the video at that, and thank you so much for watching.